In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a two-column form in Zoho Sites. By the end, you'll have a clean two-column form designed in Zoho Forms and embedded neatly on a page in your Zoho Sites project. First, open the Zoho Forms Builder. This is where we'll create the form itself before adding it to your website. Once you're in the builder, look for the grid options and choose the two-column layout. This instantly gives your form a side-by-side structure, which is great for reducing scrolling and grouping related fields clearly. Now start adding the fields you need. For example, drag in a name field and drop it into one of the columns. Use the field settings to mark it as required, add placeholder text, and adjust the label position if you prefer labels above or aligned to the left. Keep an eye on balance. If you add a field on the left, try placing a complementary field on the right to keep the layout even. Next, add an address field as another example. Because address fields can be longer, consider placing them in the wider column or giving that column more visual weight by pairing a shorter field on the other side. Aim for a logical left-to-right flow and keep labels concise so everything fits nicely in two columns. On mobile, Zoho Forms will stack columns into a single column so your form stays readable without extra work. Once you're happy with the form content and layout, click Share. This is how you'll get the code needed to embed the form on your site. In the sharing options, choose Embed. The standard iframe option works well for most pages. Copy the embed code to your clipboard. Now switch to Zoho Sites and open your project. Go to Pages so you can choose where the form will live. Select the page you want and click Edit Content to open the page editor. In the editor, click Add section where you want the form to appear. Then open the Elements panel to see the available blocks you can insert. Choose Embed iframe. This will open a field where you can paste your code. Paste the form's embed code into the iframe field, then click OK. You should see the form appear in the section you selected. If anything looks cut off, you can adjust the iframe height or place the form in a full width section for more space. It's also a good idea to preview the page and quickly check how the form stacks on mobile. And that's it. You've created a two-column form in Zoho Forms and embedded it into Zoho Sites, ready for your visitors to use.